This video explains how to take a quiz as a learner in Brightspace learning environment. On your course homepage, navigate to Quizzes. Click on the quiz you want to take. Click Start Quiz and make sure you view the instructions before starting. Answer the questions and click Next Page to move on to the next question. Sometimes instructors restrict moving back to previous questions in a quiz. Make sure to see how your instructor wants you to take your quiz. Your quiz questions automatically save after each response. When you're done, click Submit Quiz. Click Submit Quiz again if you are sure you are done your quiz. Your instructor may publish quiz results immediately and allow you to view the marking for each question immediately. Click Done after reviewing your responses.